All right, race recap, video race recap. I was getting lazy with writing out the stuff, all those words and typing and stuff. It's a lot easier if I'll be driving for 7 hours. So here it is. The amount of water stops. They had water Gatorade. The course was nice. There wasn't any. Well, there was an out and back, but it was on a closed road, and it was pretty scenic. So I'll forgive him on that. And that was like the second half of the course. First half of the course was to like the north part of town. It was sort of like a big rectangle. So it wasn't an out and back, but it was sort of a long loop. Packet pickup was fine, super easy, no swag bag, none of that kind of stuff. They didn't waste their time with that, which is cool. I don't think a lot of people really give a shit about that anymore, as long as they put those sponsorships to good use doing other things, you know, helping out with post-race stuff, such as good food. They had rigatoni kind of thing, like spirally deal. Vegetarian one was beef, like ground beef kind of deal. That was pretty cool. Local cheese, Cabot from Vermont, extra sharp cheddar. It was really good. Cookies, chocolate milk, berry smoothie thing, which was freaking phenomenal. It was really, really good. If I knew it wouldn't like come straight back up, I think I would have had 2. It was like a purple berry kind of thing with there was some green stuff in there too, so it was probably spinach or kale or something. It was nice though. Maybe mint, I don't know. They had massages, the medals were freaking cool. There's maple syrup bottles, maple syrup. Haven't tasted it. I'm not a huge maple syrup fan, but I'll try some later. I mean, look at these medals. That's maple syrup. Maple syrup. That's so cool. One thing that was kind of weird about the race was that there isn't any parking like right at the race start and finish, so we have to do a little busing. But the town of Middlebury is like super small, and it blessed their hearts for actually offering a shuttle service, because to be honest, if I was running that race, I would just say, hey, park here and fucking walk over, because it was like the Middlebury Inn was probably like just over a mile to the start and finish line of the race. So maybe that was suggested a few years ago or something, but I don't think it's completely necessary. But it was cool. After the race, I was sort of walking on my way back towards where I got dropped off at, and there wasn't any bus coming, there wasn't anybody else waiting, so I was like, I don't know if any buses are gonna come. So I just started walking back towards the Middlebury Inn, because I figured, or you know, maybe I would end up, you know, running a little bit or something like that, because they're just not that far. But a bus did show up, and I waved him down, and got a little ride back. Start and finish area is the exact same place, exact same. What the hell do you call that thing? Race finish arch. That's what we'll call it. Yeah, a lot of really cool people. Middlebury College was very pretty. Today I missed a lot of the race, actually, because I was talking to a few ladies from up in Vermont for a while on a relay team. It was fantastic. So the race went by super fast for me. It was basically like an 8.5 minute mile the entire way, so that was comfortable. I was super thirsty the entire time, so I drank at least 1 cup of water at every aid station. Aid stations were pretty well spread out, so like every 2 to 3 miles. So I could have used more water stations, but as far as a half marathon, it was plenty. Very well organized. It seemed from racers and an outsider's point of view that everything worked out fine. Plenty of police and volunteers at road closures. And race bibs were colored yellow for people doing the half, and then they were blue or purple or something for people doing the relay. So it was very easy for volunteers to spot people doing the relay. Lots of help from local kids, and it seemed like the one aid station was all like a Girl Scout group or something like that. So everybody's involved. A lot of people out, even in the rain. It rained a little bit. I totally recommend it for it's kind of like a big deal small town race, because Middlebury, the actual town, probably maybe 10,000, I don't know. So not very big town, but the race draws close to 1,000 people, so it was a pretty big deal. It's a little hilly, but it's not a big deal. Nothing's like steep or anything. It's just rolling hills, like 800 feet. So it seems like a lot, but it really wasn't like climbs or anything like that. If you're up in New England, want to do a race, Middlebury Maple Run's a nice spring half marathon. Maybe you're training for a, you know, an early fall full marathon or something. Work out pretty good if you want to do a half.
Yummy.
I would come back next year, but I got more I got more races to do. I don't know. Maybe I will be back next year. I don't fucking know. It was fun. Thanks.